Hello friends, welcome back to Natural Health Culture Movement channel. Currently we are discussing about the pioneering work done by our few of the gentlemen who helped in the development of natural health culture in the modern history. One of the name is always described as a pioneer in atmospheric cure. He was Arnold Rickley. Arnold Rickley was using the water, air and sunlight, all three together. His famous quote was, "Water is good, air is better, and most of it all, the sunlight." In fact, earlier he opened a factory of leather dyeing. So, due to exposure to chemicals, he became sick. To recover from this sickness, he left his factory and went to the place called Bled in Slovenia and opened a hospital known as Natural Healing Center in 1852. And all the people from Europe started coming to this Natural Healing Center, and it became so popular and it became so crowded. Then the government had to open a railway station to manage the crowd. So that is all about. And he was born in Switzerland. So next gentleman was Heinrich Lohmann. He highlighted the importance of right ingredient in the diet, and he highlighted the importance of milk as being complete diet, and highlighted the dangers of salt, excess salt usage in the food. He was opposed to taking alcohol in any form. Next gentleman was Louis Cunet. He is one of the greatest pioneer of natural health culture. He started the new technique called friction seeds bath. He was born in Germany, and at the age of 20 he became sick and got cured with the natural health methods. So he became a strong proponent of nature cures. He highlighted that the disease is the result of overburdening of toxins in the body. So the best way is to clean the body, and right diet and the living lifestyle. He opened his natural cure hospital in Leipzig in Germany 1883. So this is all about in today's video. Please like, subscribe and share this channel to all your friends so that we can grow together and take the benefits to the larger audience of this natural health culture. Thank you very much.